we are going to show this question. It is written here, find the equation of the tangent xy plus x square equals to 2y at the point where is x equals to 1. So we need to find out the y value first. Let me put this x value in our main equation to get our y value. The equation is xy then plus x square equals to 2y, it is written. So let me put the x value is 1 into y plus 1 square equals to 2y. So this is y plus 1 equals to 2y. So we can say that one is y, 2y minus y is y, and on the left side is 1. So value of y is 1. So our point of coordinate, which is 1 and 1, x value 1 and y value 1. So now we need to differentiate this one. It's an implicit function. We have to apply implicit differentiation here. Let me differentiate. If we differentiate with respect to x, then for xy we have to apply the product rule, x dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x. The first here, this is for xy. Then if we apply differentiation for x square, it gives us 2x, and on the right side it is written here 2y. So 2 dy by dx, 2 dy by dx. So this is our implicit differentiation. Now our target is to find out the value of the dy by dx at that particular point where x equals to 1 and y equals to 1. Let me put this value in this equation rather than making dy by dx as a subject. So x value is 1, so we can write here 1 dy by dx, 1 into dy by dx. Then next one, y equals to 1, and if we differentiate dy by dx of x, it gives us as well 1. Then plus 2 into x value is 1 given, and on the right side it is 2 dy by dx. So see, easily you can find out 1 dy by dx, another 2 dy by dx. So you can write here from 2 dy by dx, 1 by dy by dx, if we subtract, then it becomes dy by dx, single dy by dx, and the value we got from here 2 plus 1, which is 3. So this is the value which stands for the gradient of the tangent. Now our time to form equation of tangent. So we know equation of tangent. Let me write first the formula. Tangent, which is y minus y1 equals to gradient m into x minus x1. This is our equation of tangent. So let me put our value. Y minus y1 is 1, and m we got 3, x minus x1 is 1. So let me simplify. Y minus 1 equals to 3x minus 3. So finally from there you can write y equals to 3x minus 2, because minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So this is our answer of this question. Hope you understood this question. Another question I prepared for you to solve this one. See, read the question. Find the equation of the normal. This is again equation of normal where the curve, one curve equation is given at the point where the curve meets the x-axis. We all know meets the x-axis means we needed to consider y equals to 0. So by considering y equals to 0, we can find out the value of x from the main equation. So you can write twice x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. We are considering y equals to 0 because it meets at the point x-axis. In this way you can find out the coordinate. So if we make cross multiplication, then it turns to 2x plus 4 equals to 0, because x minus 1 we needed to multiply on the right side, it becomes 0. So this is 2 x equals to minus 4. From there you can write x equals to minus 2. So our coordinate at is x value minus 2 and y value is 0, because we need the coordinate for to form our equation of the normal. So now this is the equation. So we needed to apply differentiation here, dy by dx. Definitely we have to apply here the quotient rule. To see the more quotient rule questions, please click on the I button from the top right. So quotient rule is, you know, u by v du by dx. So here v is x minus 1. Then let you write d by dx of twice x plus 4 then minus 2x plus 4 d by dx of x minus 1, and on the bottom it is x minus 1 whole square. See the rule formula, and let us simplify now. On the top we got from here x minus 1 into 2 only, because inside if we differentiate we got 2, then minus twice x plus 4. If we differentiate x minus 1 we got from there 1 only. Okay, and bottom is as well x minus 1 whole square. Now we can put our value. X value is minus 2, this is the value of x, and that is the value of y, because I already read here dy by dx. Our target is to find out the dy by dx value at that particular point. Let me put the x value here, x. So if we put the x value, so on the top we can write here minus 2 minus 1, then we can calculate plus minus 2, then minus 2 into minus 2, then plus 4 on the right side, then into 1. Instead of x we put the value, then minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So we can simplify it more. See, on the top we got from here only minus 2 minus 1 is, which is minus 3 into 2 is, which is minus 6, and this is the value minus 2 into minus 4, minus 4 plus 4 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, so you can write here minus 0, and on the bottom it is 2 minus 1 is 3, minus 3 square is 9, so it turns to minus 6 over 9. You can simplify more by cutting with the 2 on the top and bottom, then it is minus 2 by 3. This is our gradient of tangent of this equation. So we need to form our equation normal, so we can write our normal equation like this: y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equals to minus 1 by m. So this is the normal part. M here, m is the gradient of the tangent, and this is the value of m. We need to put this value, and x1 y1, that is the value x1 and that is the value y1. Let me put this value here. Y minus y1 is 0, then x minus x1, so it becomes x plus 2, and if we put our value, m is minus 2 by 3, here 1 by m, definitely it would be 3 by 2. If we place our value m here, we need to make it reciprocal and multiply with the minus sign. Then now just in one more line you needed to finish it. 2y equals to 3 to the 3x plus 3 to the 6. So this is our equation of normal. You can say this is our equation of normal. Hope